Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahsan Riaz and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. Today is our lecture 9 of Python programming course, and in this video I will teach you how to take input in Python. If you want to take input from keyboard in Python, we use Python input function. What is syntax for input function? We write a variable and equal and write input function and write the message which we want to for input from user. Let for example I write variable here and equal to input. Write your input message in this double quote. Now I write name is equal to input. Enter your name. If we it will ask enter your name on the screen and we will write our name on the screen. Then this name will be stored in name variable. I will explain you in later with example on PyCharm. In Python, every input is stored in string form. If you want to store data in different data types like integer, float, numbers, or any other types. For example, if we want to take input from age of user, then if we directly use input function, then our age will be treated as string. We want to store it as input, then we use typecasting. Typecasting is used to convert data from one type to another data type. Like if we want to convert string into numbers, then we use typecasting. Let's practical use of input in our PyCharm. I will write I will write three programs. First one is write a program to enter your name and print hi and your name. If I write Sn, then it will print hi Sn. And second program is take two numbers and find the sum and average. It is very easy. No input will be from keyboard. Both is number. And third program is input three number from user and find maximum number. Let's open our PyCharm and write this program. I already opened my PyCharm and write statement for this program. First I will write a program to enter your name and print hi name. I will write here. I will declare variable name and I will use input method. We write message for this enter your name and we will print hi Sn. If I input Sn, then it should print Sn. Let's run our program. It is asking input your name. I will write here Sn. Now you can see hi Sn is printed on the screen. Now I can also check it on other input, like my name is Ahsan Riaz, then it print hi Ahsan Riaz. It is working. If I check every time, if I also write integer or double any data on the input, then it will be treated as string. Let's check it. I will write here type method. I will use type method to check data type of string of this name variable. If I write integer value, Now check it. If I check type of input from user, then you can see it is str. Even if I write integer, then it show str. If I write float, then it is also str. To solve this problem, we use typecasting. We will write here integer in function in typecasting and write input function in this in integer. If we first it will store the input in string form, then we will typecast into int, then it will store into the name. For example, if I write 5, no, its data type is integer. This is just an example to explain the concept of typecasting, why we need it. Now I will change it to by default setting. Our aim is to write a program to enter your name and print a high name. I will change it to old one, hi, and your name, which is name. Now I will write second program, which is take two numbers and find sum. First I will input from user, enter first number, and I will store it in integer form. So I use integer typecasting that will convert integer into that will convert string into integer. Similarly, I will write integer for second input, second number. Now I will find sum, which is equal to sum is equal to x plus y, and average is equal to sum divided by 2, because x and y are two variables. We want to, now I will run this program. First I will write sn. You can see, it is asking first number. I will write 5 and 7. We will print both values. Sum is equal to sum, and average is equal to average. Let's run our program. First I will comment first input. I want to comment first program, run our program, and write two values 5 and 7. Actually, we do not write typecasting for variable 1 for first number 5 and 7. Now you can see sum of 5 and 7 is 12 and average is 6.0, because between 5 and 7 there is a number 6, which is its average. Now I will write third program, which is take in 3 numbers from user. I will store it in ABC variables. I will ask user from for 3 numbers. I will write enter first number. I will copy paste it. Let's change the variables ABC and write second and third. Now I will use logical operator here to find maximum. First I will check A greater than B and A also greater than C, which means A is greater. So I will print A is maximum. Now I will use if else statement. If I check a b greater than a and b greater than c, which means c is greater, sorry, b is greater maximum. Else if both a and b is not maximum, then c is greater, which is c is maximum. Now run this program. I will write values, random values 6, 8, 63. You can now see 63 is maximum. Now I will write other values 69, 73, 43, and you can see 73 is maximum, which is correct. Let's run it on another case, which is 36, 73, 116. So maximum is 116. So our program is correct and it is working perfectly. Hope you guys understand how to use input in Python. Please like and share this video with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe my channel to support me. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.